Cool, welcome back. Well, sorry, welcome back, guys. So Wife's birthday just passed, and she just kept going on and going on about how much she wants Banh Xeo, which, just so some of you that don't know, it's a Vietnamese savory crepe. Usually there's proteins, there's vegetables in it, and it's really thin crepe layer, folded over, and it's very, very good. All over back home in LA. Here, very difficult to find. So we've actually put it together. This is the final product as of right now. Wish me luck. This is gonna be my first crepe. But just a little bit of the ingredients we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be using some tofu and mushroom. Essentially, we're just gonna cook it to browning. Once we do that, we're gonna put the batter mix, or the crepe mix, right? We're gonna put it in there, a very thin layer. The idea of it is you don't want it to be too thick like a pancake. You just want like a nice crispy layer that covers the whole crepe. And then afterwards we're going to add some jicama and some bean sprouts. Once we're all done with that, we're just going to let it cook. It's very quick, less than about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So, I'm not gonna lie, I did do multiple attempts to make it as pretty as possible. But I think I finally got it. Here we go, it's the final product. Banh Xeo, again, it's a Vietnamese savory crepe. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Lana, I hope you loved it too. Happy birthday again. And don't forget to subscribe to my wife's cooking channel and like this. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Go. All right, so officially finished my Banh Xeo.
I'm so excited!
Lana is finally having Banh Xeo after feels like 10 years of not having it.
Over a year. No, I'm just kidding. It's a couple months.
Couple months. All right, and just so you guys know, a bunch of herbs. There's basil, there's mint, lettuce, and then of course the house-made fish sauce, which is vegan. It's not fish sauce.
Sorry. I like my herbs.
It's okay.
Oh, so excited.
All right, here we go. First taste. Hopefully it's good news.
Super crispy.
All right. Feels like home. Tastes like home.
The batter is really good too.
Nice. Success, guys.
Really good. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest.
Thank